Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2012 Chevy Silverado LT Extended Cab 4-Wheel Drive, stock number Z6577A. 87,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black in color. This extended cab, seat 6 with a cloth interior. Hooks in the seat for a latch system to keep child seats completely secure. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. And a rear defrost for excellent visibility. 6.5-foot box. Z71 off-road suspension package. Includes skid plates for protection. Locking tailgate. Backup camera. Along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. And very clean, as you can see. No dents or dings in the body. Extended cab doors on both sides of the truck. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat. Read gauges with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode, shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect mobile media devices, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, and power adjustable pedals, great for shorter drivers. Cup holders and storage in the armrest. Up and out of the way for a middle passenger with even more storage below. Dual glove boxes. Overhead auto dimming mirror, and that's where the backup camera display is, along with home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 315 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the truck. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon and the city average of 21 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 60% of tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.